Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today it's the Hisense Washing Machine detergent drawer symbols and what goes in what compartment. So this is your main detergent, fabric softener or any pre-wash. This is the Hisense Washing Machine here. The detergent drawer is up on the left hand side, just gently pull it out. You can actually remove this by pushing that blue button in at the back in the middle. Now you've got these three symbols for the detergent drawers. This one on the left hand side with the two bars on it, this is where you put your main detergent liquid or any washing powder for your main wash. In the centre one here, this is where you put any fabric softener which is deployed at the end of the wash. Make sure it doesn't go above the max mark. And this symbol here with the one line in it is where you put any pre-wash detergent. This is for any heavily soiled items. Right, let's get the laundry in and get a wash on. And I've got my glamorous assistant to help me out today, i.e. my wife. So I'm going to put the main detergent liquid in the compartment on the left with the two bars. And just some fabric softener in the middle, making sure that it doesn't go above the max mark. And let's start a wash. If you want to get rid of that annoying beep every time you turn the dial, they'll put a link above now about how to get rid of that. Of course, if you don't want to use the detergent drawers, you can just use these pods and they go straight in the drum. Whilst I contemplate what life is all about and where my life is heading, I'll put some other useful washing machine videos around the edge of the screen. Oh, I forgot to have a cup of tea. I'm off to have a cup of tea. Oh.